Is your garage door making more noise than usual or moving unevenly? It might be due to worn rollers, a common issue where the rollers that help your door glide smoothly along its tracks start to deteriorate. This not only causes noisy operations, but can also lead to a jerky motion, stressing other components of your garage door system, and potentially leading to more severe damage. Don't let a small problem turn into a big one. If you're in the Kiama Downs area and facing these issues, call our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111. We'll ensure your garage door works like new again, smoothly and quietly.